Hi, so a few things regarding this website that we already created for Lucila. So it's very important for us to have your home soul guaranteed, this tagline, and as well below should be this disclaimer and also this guaranteed sale program, call, email, free recorded message that needs to be on the banner as well. So maybe if we can maybe something similar to have this on the top here, maybe, and that home soul guaranteed to be like here. I think that could work. Also, there's a button, learn more, which goes to this page with the with the with the contact form, but it doesn't have to be this contact form. It can be our contact form, but with this text. So that's one thing regarding the books that we were talking about. Those books she's going to send us all these books, but I believe we should create a section here with for the books with the and to go to that page. She has that under books. As you can see, there is a page with all the books here. So maybe we can create some nice section with some interior, or maybe these books can be added within that section and to be forwarded to this page, something like that, just below the banner. Community is okay, services all good, feature listings all good. She's going to send us other content and what needs to be added once you see the draft. But for now, I think that should be our first goal. Yes, here, can you please create one white line just to separate these two? So it's one. And if she has testimonials, which I don't find it, there it is, testimonials. There is testimonials. There's the videos one. So maybe we can have this for her website as well. Testimonials. If it's not there already. There they are. Okay, perfect. So testimonials are here. Maybe we can create a widget between her and the contact. That way it would be a separation, and maybe behind the testimonial can be some nice photo in the back, so it break down this solid colors that are here. Okay, let me know when you do something about this so we can check it. Thanks.